welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how GoPro 7 HyperSmooth is. I'm going to show you the videos from 3 or 4 angles. One will be on my helmet, the other one is going to be on the chest, and the third one it will be on the bar, on the handlebar. The best thing about this camera is the HyperSmooth technology. So no more gimbal needed. You know, it was not easy to use a gimbal on the bike, so we don't need it anymore. Now I'm testing it for you, and we are going to see how smooth are the videos. We will see it all together. I'm also curious about it, so let's have a look how GoPro 7 did it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share the videos. Have a great day.